Now welcome back once again. Let us continue with the tutorials. Okay, so right now we are going to look at how to install plugins. So we are going to look at the plugins that are important for this training. So first of all, let's start with the themes. Okay, so what are themes? Okay, so let me tell you something. Theme give extra functionality to a WordPress site. Okay, good. First, let me open this in a new tab. So now look at the interface of this website, and this is as a result of the theme that we are using. Okay, right now I can decide to install a new theme. Okay, and that is, let me search for Boostify. Okay, so check the spellings of this one. Okay, so this is a theme that we want to use. First, let me click install here and activate. First, let's come back here. You see, this is the interface of the old one. After installing this one is now active, and this one is not active anymore, so I can just delete this one from there. Good. So after changing the theme, let me refresh the page and let's see what is going to happen. So you see the interface has changed. Okay, so that's what about the theme. So the theme and the plugins add extra function features to your WordPress site. Okay, good. Now we have added a theme. Let's go to plugins. Let's go to, okay, so we have some default plugins here. Let's delete it. Apply. Okay, so it's now gone. So let's go to add new plugin, and we are going to install some plugins here. First, let's enter Elementor. Okay, so this is Elementor, and we will install this one. That's there. Okay, then the next one will be an essential items for Elementor. This one. Okay, and what else? Order tracker. Okay, so order tracking or order tracker. Let me see. Yeah, it's order tracker. So you come here and enter order tracker. Okay, so this one, we will install this one. Then the next one that we need to install is Paystack WooCommerce. So this plugin, that is WooCommerce. Oh, let me delete it. Okay, so this one, that is, oh, come on. Okay, so this plugin WooCommerce, install now. Okay, so the next one is going to be that is the Paystack for WooCommerce. Okay, so this one will help us to accept payment online through Momo or Visa card. Okay, so we'll go for this one. After that, I will remove that, and the next one is going to be ShopNG. So ShopNG. Okay, so this one, just enter ShopNG, and we are looking at this one ShopNG. Let's see. Okay, so this is the one that's the title is almost the same. Okay, for this one we are looking for this one, not this one, but rather this one. Okay, good. Okay, so this one, good. And the next one is let's come back here and delete IT. Okay, so this one, that's the IT WooCommerce wish list. So click that to install. Okay, so the last one is going to be variation. Okay, so let me remove this, and then the last one is variations. So that is variations. Okay, good. So so we need this plugin. We need this one, so click on that to install. So far so good, we're almost done. It left with only one last one that we need to download that outside. So let's open that and enter under Google search. Let's go to Google search. So this Google search. So over here I'm going to search for Pro Elements. So just come back, enter Pro Elements, or let me make it combined word, Pro Elements, and click enter. So here we have this feature will give you all the WordPress Elementor Pro features. So I will click on that. You come to the official website and you download it from here. I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. Let me click that. So downloads is ongoing, so I can just put it here. So that's it. Place it. So I'm done. So I can come back here and click upload. Go here and locate the plugin. Adjust this one. Open, install. So I've downloaded another plugin from outside WordPress. Because you can't get it here, so we have to do that. So far so good, we have installed all the plugins that we need, and let's finish with this and I'll show you something. So I can just go ahead and activate this one. Good. So let's come back. You see, because we have not activated the Elementor, that's why we are getting this warning, but no problem. Let's come back to install plugins, and we will see all the plugins that we have installed. These are the plugins that we have installed. We have to, our next video, we will look at activating them and making use of it. Let me see, we have spent about 8 minutes, so let's activate the plugins. So the first plugin that I will activate is this one, the Woo one. Do it separate because it's very, very important. So we can go to the setup settings. I will uncheck this and click setup. I'm just starting my business. You can select any of them, it's okay. Then what is your business? It says give your store a name. So let's say first store, and then the industry is what? Clothing and accessories. Where is your store located? I don't want to indicate that. Let me leave that. So I can, let me do that. Let me do it. So I can just make it Ghana, Ashanti. Let's select that. My email account is here. I'm here to create the email. I don't have to select this. Click continue. So I will uncheck for these and click continue. So the WooCommerce is successful. Right now I can just go here to, let's see, I can just go to plugins again, plugins here, and over here I can activate the remaining. So this is what I'm going to do. We have Elementor here. Select Elementor, select this one too. I'll select this and I'll select that, and I will even select this, or can select all of them, but I will just don't select this one, the wish list, leave it, and then this one too, you can select that. And after that, just select activate it, apply. So we need to go through some process. Next, and that is next. No thanks. Okay, so we are done with this one. Good. So we can just go back to plugins again, and the rest has been activated. Now let's go through with this one, the wishlist plugin. Okay, so we need to follow the setup. Okay, so just leave create automatically my wish list. Okay, everything is okay. Just click continue. Good. And over here we will still continue. Okay, just continue again, and then we have to click continue again, and then the last one. Okay, we don't want to do that. Okay, so let me add that and click continue. Okay, so we don't have to upgrade. I just want to maintain the free version. Okay, click here and we on our dashboard. So we have activated all the plugins. Okay, and everything is looking amazing. So in our next video we will continue. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.